Hello everyone. I disappeared for a while, but I'm back with a new animation. This animation is self-ironic animation because usually I make fun of the movie characters, but sometimes it's good to make fun of myself because some situations are very, how do I say this? They deserve to be drawn. Let's say it this way. Um, what I wanted to tell, I will share the finished result of this animation, and I'll put painting process of this animation in Procreate. What this animation is about? You know, when you think of yourself that you are very dark creature who listen to satanic music, and when at the some days of the month you are extremely sensitive and can be angry at everyone and everything, but there are still people who can just came into your life and share something very positive and happy and smile this way that you just cannot be evil anymore. You're like, what is happening? It's like some people have so much light and positive in them that you really, even in your worst days, you don't want to be mad, you don't want to be sad, you want them to be happy, you want them. And I know that these people who have very charismatic smile and who is very honest and kind person, I know that their smile can charm everyone. So what I'm saying is these people know that they can kill with kindness. And I swear to God, if I will be in a battlefield or if I will be cloned, so many hungry Natashas at the some day of the month, and they just put one warrior against me who's gonna be this honest, this, I don't know, this good person, and be like, what the fuck, I was evil. I was evil when I came here. How did I am how did I end up being how did I end up smiling? It's like someone is smiling and you can hold your smile too. It's very weird way of explaining. So I'm sharing this animation with you. To be honest, I'm not really don't really like the emotion. This I was trying to make this feeling when you try to hide your smile, like you're angry and you start smiling and you cannot help but you can help but smile, and you do everything to hide your smile but it's not working and you're starting to smile. This is a very interesting emotion, but I don't think that I did a good job. I will I will work on it on the future, maybe later. I was trying to look at myself in a mirror and to draw what I saw, but to be honest, I'm not sure that I did a good job. But anyways, that's it. That's the video. Uh, Thank you for watching. I'll see you next one. How is it possible that I can be mad at everyone in the world, but not to be mad at you?